You bought a TRICO Ice wiper blade. Now what? This video will show you how to properly install the TRICO Ice wiper blade onto a 22mm push-button arm. Determine whether you have a wide or narrow push-button wiper arm by measuring it with a penny. A penny will fit snugly into the end of the wide 22mm wiper arm. It will not fit into the end of the narrow 19mm arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. With this arm type, it is necessary to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it as follows with adapter BC. Identify the release tabs for the pre-attached adapter. These tabs are labeled Press and are located at the back of the adapter. Pinch the tabs at the back of the adapter, then rotate it up to a 35-degree angle. Lift the adapter until it disengages from the blade. Discard it. Now, locate adapter BC and rotate it to a 35-degree angle. Lower the adapter onto the pin until it clicks in place. Adapter BC must lock onto the blade before proceeding to the next step. Holding your thumb on the front of the adapter, push the back end of the adapter into the open end of the wiper arm. The button on the top of the adapter must lock into the hole in the top of the arm. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm. It's that easy. Now you're ready for the road ahead.